Hi, my name is Muhammad Afad Dwi Rianto.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alicia Labuti.
Hello, my name is Mutiara Nur Ramadhani. Okay, our material is about communication as a secretary, structure of contents. Purpose of our video is to convey things that need to be considered in communicating as a secretary profession. The topic is so important because our topic discusses a lot of communication, which communication is very important skill that underlines the work of secretary. And the target of our learning video is students in majoring in office or business administration or workers in office roles work is close to the secretarial activities.
So this is the list of topics that we will discuss. First, definition of secretary and communication. 2. Secretary communication procedures. 3. Communication element. 4. Communication skill required by the secretary. 5. Secretary communication objective. 6. Secretary communication barriers. And 7. Overcoming secretarial communication barriers. So apart from this material, that there will be a quiz with which aims to test your understanding of the material.
Okay, first I will explain about the definition of secretary and communication. Secretary comes from the Latin word secretum, which means secret. Then the word secretary appears, which means an officer. And it can be concluded that a secretary is an office employee whose job is to assist his boss in keeping the secrets of the management and the company and handling office work and organizing routine works in the office. Next is communication. Communication is a process in which two or more people exchange information with each other with the aim of forming deep mutual understanding. And then a successful secretary is a secretary who is able to work quickly and precisely. And therefore, communication is very important for a secretary because they need to find a lot of information. And if they experience a difficulty, the secretary must ask questions while carrying out their duty.
Next is secretary communication procedure. The following are procedures that a secretary needs to pay attention to when communicating. First is prioritize the message conveyed and not the person giving the message. Second one is focus on the content of the message, not just the message. And number 3, listen first, then evaluate. And number 4, carry out written communication for people who have high emotion or lack attention and people who have difficulty communicating verbally. Number 5, convey clearly and use simple and precise words in conveying message so that they are easy to understand. Number 6, request a response from the recipient of the message. And the last one, mutual trust and respect.
Next, communication elements. There's 5 elements communication. First, search or communicator. That means the person who conveys the message. 2, recipient or communicant. There's the target of communication delivery. 3, message is a form of communication. 4, media, the channel or tools used by the sender to convey the message. And last, communication impact. That means to see and ensure whether the message conveyed can be understood or not. Okay.
Communication skill required by the secretary. The first skills required by a secretary is listening. Then some ways for a secretary to listen well are: first, understand the purpose and objective of communication, and the secondly is recognizing the communicant or the audience, and third, convey the message clearly, and fourth is use the good tools, and the fifth is focus attention, and the sixth is avoid communication breakdowns, and the seventh is create a pleasant atmosphere, and then the last one is use a correct body language.
Okay, the second skill that a secretary needs to have is reading. Why for secretaries to read well include try to concentrate on what you read, starting from the introduction, body, then finally the conclusion. At the end of each reading, try to ask yourself whether you have understood what you read or not. If you don't understand, read it again. If you encounter words you don't know, try opening a dictionary to see the true meaning and make the reading is meaningful. Okay, third, A secretary also needs to pay attention to writing skills, namely writing is a form of communication in which the message to be conveyed is made in the form of words. Number 4, the skill that a secretary needs to have is being good at speaking. Example, number 1, the sound produced can be heard clearly when attention is clear. Number 2, the way to convey is not too fast and not monotonous, which will make listening bored.
Next is secretary communication objective. There's 3 communication objectives. First, provide information and provide understanding. 2, influence, and 3, for express our feelings.
Secretary communications barriers. The first one is language. The most common barrier encountered in communication is the large number of words that are not understood by the recipients of the information. And the second one is personal. This barrier is caused by personal differences between the giver and the recipients of information, such as level, age, status, role, and culture. And the next one is situation. The situation is one of the most important elements in the communication process because communication must take place under certain conditions. And the last one is organization structure and procedure. In the company, when you work, of course, there is an organization structure.
Are also solutions to overcome this obstacle. Number 1, providing feedback or feedback is giving someone the opportunity to convey information and ideas so as to create two-way communication. Number 2, get to know the recipient of news, namely recognizing the background, education, and condition of the recipient of the message so that the message conveyed can be well received and easily understood by the recipient of the message. Number 3, arrange in detail when your information must be conveyed and to whom the information will be conveyed.
Okay, for this quiz session, first quiz number 1. Secretum is Latin for secretary, which means what? Okay, the answer is secretum in Latin means secret in English.
Okay, next, quiz number 2. The following is the meaning of the person who received the message, namely. Okay, the answer of the person who received a message is communicant.
Quiz number 3. Which is not the purpose of secretary communication is? Okay, the answer of course is to forward the recipient of the message.
So, this learning video was produced with hope that video viewers will understand better the communication procedure of secretary. So, see you in another learning video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Keep learning and keep shining.